Hi guys, today I'm doing a really quick tutorial how to on red lipstick. We're gonna start out by talking about the perfect makeup for red lipstick, and that is what I have on right now. This is my glass skin and feline eyes tutorial. It's already up on my channel. I will drop a card right here so you can watch it. And this is the perfect canvas for a red mouth because the focus will stay on the red lipstick. Now, what I want to talk about as far as red lipstick goes is really the 3 different tones of red lipstick. So there are warm tone red lipsticks, which I'm going to show in a moment, neutral toned red lipsticks, and cool toned red lipsticks. Let's break it down. The first one is a warm tone red lipstick. This will look great on someone with a wonderful deep tan. It's going to meld really well with their look because the warm tone red has a lot of orange in it. Likewise, and kind of on the opposite spectrum, if you have a cooler skin tone and you wear an orangey red, it can pop on your skin. That's also a look, and that looks really pretty, especially for a summertime brighter look. A neutral red will look great on everybody because it has a lot of cool tones in it and it has a lot of warm tones in it. Balances really well between a warm and cool skin tone. Anyone can wear a neutral red. And a cool red is one that lends a lot of benefits. The really nice part about cool reds is it tends to make your teeth look a lot whiter. And cool reds can look very classy. They're kind of like your Hollywood reds, really deep, really rich, and a little bit more on the pinky side. So those are really beautiful too. Let's go ahead and get started and do a warm tone red lip. Really quick, I want to share what I'm doing before I'm putting on the red lipstick, and that is to use a lip liner that is the same shade as my natural lips. I've already got it on, you probably can't tell, and that's exactly what we're going for. I used the Clinique Quick Liner for Lips in Soft Rose, and I just went around the edge of my lips as well as filled in my entire lip, top and bottom, so that the red lipstick is going to stick a lot better to it. So let's go in with the warm tone red. Today I chose the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is in the color Kitten Heels. So I've got it swatched on my hand right here to show you. This is a warm tone red. It's got a lot of orange in it, and it's very, I can describe it kind of like a hotness, a spiciness to the color. It's a little brighter, and that's how you'll differentiate a warm tone red from a cool tone red. So I'm going to go in and start just in the center of the lips here. I'll go up around the cupid's bow and then just barely tap the inside of the bottom lip to the top. Fills in that gap. And there's your warm tone red. This is something that looks beautiful, like I said, if you have a tan, but even if you're paler skin like myself, this pops on your skin and really can make a statement. Again, it's got that orange undertone, so it's very bright and it keeps everything looking very fresh and just very focused to the lips, and this is why I like this look a lot with it. As far as the eyes and the skin go, it really complements a nice bright lip. I went ahead and removed that color and went back in with the lip liner, and now we're going to move into the neutral red. This is a really awesome product, and it is the Josie Maran Coconut Watercolor Lip Stain and Shine. So on this end over here, it has like a marker pen, and that houses the red color. This is the neutral one, so it's not as warm, and it's definitely not pink. It's right in the middle there, right here. So this is going to be kind of like a very easy red to wear. This product, like I said, is really cool because it's a stain. mention the color on that one. That one's Getaway Red. It does have a gloss on the other side. I'm not going to use it because I kind of want to keep this matte so you can see. But it's a beautiful deep red, kind of what you would think of when you think of the color red, like red from a crayon box. This is that color red, and this is a neutral red, so not too orange, not too cool. Again, anyone can wear it and it will look great on them. And it's a beautiful red for an evening out, or you can tone it down a little bit for daytime and make it more of a stain like this. Looks really nice. That's your neutral red. Last but not least is the classic cool tone red. Again, this makes your teeth look very bright. It's got a lot of blue and pink to it, and it's kind of more of like your pink and deep berry kind of a red. I'm using a actual lipstick bullet for this, and this is the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick in the color Legendary. So it looks like this. This one on the far end here is the cool toned pink blue red that we're going to use right now. So you can tell from the warm to the neutral to the pink how those are getting a little bit cooler as we go along. And this, I'll just start putting it right in the center of the lips. Working my way around. And there's the cooler pink. This to me is probably the most wearable of the three actually, just because I think the pink is very vibrant but still a little bit more toned down as opposed to the orangier red, and I think it flatters me a little bit better than the neutral red does. But there are 3 different ways you can wear red lipstick, and just choose what you think you would like best between the 3. There are kind of quote-unquote rules that people will say of what will look best on you depending on your skin color and your hair color and everything. But I kind of choose whatever red I'm feeling like. Do I feel spicy? Do I feel royal? Do I feel like I'm a princess? I just choose whichever one I'm feeling like. So that's what you can do, and please be sure to check out again my video on glass skin and feline eyes, which is this makeup look that I'm wearing right now, because it pairs perfectly with any red lip and any lip color, as a matter of fact, because it is so simple and beautiful and easy to do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.